Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and CSV files to Monday.com. We're going to walk through the quickest way to bring your spreadsheet data into Monday.com so you can start tracking, collaborating, and automating right away. Before we begin, make sure you've got your Excel or CSV files saved on your computer. It helps to have clear column headers in the first row, consistent data formats for things like dates and emails, and no extra blank columns or merged cells. A tidy file will make the import smoother and your board cleaner. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and heading to your home view. This is your central hub, and it's where we'll access the import tools. Once you're there, look to the very top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may show your photo or initials. This is the menu that holds your personal and account options. Click the profile icon to open the menu. In the list that appears, find and select Import Data. This takes you to Monday.com's import area, where you can choose the source for your information. On the import screen, choose Excel if you're bringing in an .xlsx or .xls file. If your data is in a .csv format, you can select CSV instead. The process is essentially the same. Picking the right option helps Monday.com interpret your file correctly, especially for column types like dates, numbers, and people. Next, you'll see an option to drag your file into the window or click to browse. If your file is handy on your desktop or in a folder, drag it right into the box. Otherwise, click to browse, navigate to your sample Excel file on your computer, and select it. With your file highlighted in the file picker, click Open to upload it. Monday.com will read the file and prepare it for import. From here, you'll see on-screen prompts to review your data, map your spreadsheet columns to Monday.com columns, and confirm how you want items and groups created. If your first row is headers, make sure that's recognized. This keeps your board columns properly labeled. A few quick tips as you finalize the import. Check that date columns are in a standard date format, make sure any email or URL fields are clean and consistent, and remove accidental trailing spaces in text cells if you notice mismatches. If you don't see the import data option, you may need the right permissions in your account or workspace. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now on its way into Monday.com, ready to power your workflows.